Gotta love it. Gotta love it. So take the strut now and kick the straight to the shin. He's like,
I put the trash bar back on.
Okay.
Yeah. But it clears, I think, with it, so.
Ryan just making me do extra work.
You said you wanted to help. We put your ass to work. Free labor.
You know what you should do in the future?
What?
Get someone to build a custom match where you can see through the grill.
Oh yeah, that'd be sick. Like a dark speed one.
Yeah, kind of like that, yeah.
Why are you holding like a baby? Wait, do like the proud father. Proud new dad. Day one is actually finally coming to an end. Thank God. It was a long day, but a very well done day.
Yeah.
I'd say we had really good progress, but it's not my schedule, it's his schedule.
No, that's your schedule. Definitely.
That's a little bit. But Ryan actually let me help, which was really nice.
You helped a lot, actually, because the guys were doing their own thing with the struts, which is definitely a pain to get out. But me and you kind of tackled the body kit together a little bit. Had to shave some stuff. The front bumper took the majority of the time, I think.
Yeah.
But
how many hours would you say that we put in just on the front bumper?
we probably had a cool 3 hours in the front bumper, and then just the rest of the time was mainly just like getting it on there and then adjusting a little to the left, a little to the right, up, down, whatever, and then we test fitted both sides. So basically, like, the front bumper to the doors is done.
Yeah.
Right? So then we just gotta move backwards from the doors to the skirts and the skirts to the rear bumper.
I think one of the things that grabbed our attention also was the gap between the hood and the new front bumper. Ryan's gonna have to custom fab some stuff to make that gap kind of disappear a little bit more. So that's nice.
Yep.
Yay!
There's a trim piece in there that's on the factory bumper that does not fit, because this one's a little bit taller in the front where it actually mounts into the bumper, or in the core support. So we're gonna make some stuff, shave some stuff, cut some stuff, throw some stuff, and make it work.
Make it work.
Make it work.
Make everything good.
Trailer situation is intense.
It's not looking positive.
It's not looking positive. Because the car, stock body, stock height, did not make it off the trailer. It barely made it off the trailer, excuse me. So
Yeah.
once it's back on, this kit, I mean, the bags themselves lowers the car a little bit. Like, you're gonna be close to factory height, but not exactly.
Yeah.
But the kit, I mean, the front bumper is probably an inch lower, and the rear bumper is like a cool, like, 2.5 inches lower.
The front bumper without even having the lip on.
Even the skirts, I mean, shit, the skirts sit an inch lower than the pinch welds. You were level with the pinch welds before with your skirt, so it's definitely gonna be interesting. I think you should drive back personally. I'm a big fan of driving your cars that you build. We've talked about this before. My name is Exhibit. This is Skyland, and you're watching Pimp My Ride. I don't fucking know.
I'm keeping that. That's the outro.
part's gonna be kind of hard. We gotta walk the kit this way.
We gotta do what?
We gotta pick up the car physically.
Oh, good.
And walk it.
Oh,
Foot back.
perfect.
You drill a hole into the Porsche. That's definitely not centered.
Don't do that to me. My heart can't take it.
I got quick. I let it go. Theoretically, okay, never mind.
Ask some stupid shit. See what happens.
Nah, it was gonna be smart. It was definitely gonna do some smart shit. Well, I'm picking up the heavy putting back. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, not right through the intake manifold.
How do you feel?
I'm glad one side done.
Okay, go off. I said, how are you feeling? Oh, okay. Perfect. Oh my God. Get it. This feels so fucking wrong. Wow. Wheels! And then Ryan with the saw. Oh my God. Holy shit.
I think I need to engrave these.
You think you need to? Oh, I'm sorry.
Engrave something in there.
I don't know about that one. I don't know, Bucko.
Yep.
Drop a piece of cinnamon roll on it.
Are these floaters?
I gotta get my shot.
So my tank just is a little rough. So what I'm doing is I'm hand sanding to the left to make it better. Like it's gonna look way better after this. Okay, not gonna lie, that one kind of hurt my soul a little bit. Not gonna lie.
Stressful.
That's nice. Look like all my secrets.
Wow.
We have encountered a problem. Currently, when I try to move my steering wheel full lock, it does not work. I keep hitting the radiators. I'll show you guys. I only have 80% of my turning radius because I'm hitting this bracket right here, so that's really tough. So we're gonna see if we can move the radiators even just a smidgen forward and try to get more clearance, but it's gonna be really tough and quite a process.
Please.